Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how we can stop key vibration on your Android phone. So for that we need to find the general settings app of the device, and in here scroll just a little bit to find sounds and vibrations menu. So you can click on it like this. You have some general settings for this type of behavior, but below again you can find system vibration menu. This is what I want you to click on, and here you get to control which specific types of vibrations are going to be active and a part of the device. So for example, there is the touch interactions like clicking on the home button and so on. There is the dialing on the keypad, which is for the phone app, right? Like if you are dialing numbers in the phone app, here you decide whether every click, every number will actually give off a little vibration. And then below we have the Samsung keyboard. So if you're using Samsung keyboard to type text literally anywhere, then of course there you could decide whether the keyboard makes the haptic feedback or not. As you can see, by the way, I'm not using the Samsung keyboard, but I'm using the Gboard from Google. And if that's the case for you as well, you can open up the Gboard app specifically and make some changes to this behavior, to this keyboard, because in it here you can go to the preferences, and below you should be able to find the keyboard vibration, and you can decide to enable it or disable it, and also like choose the strength if you want to adjust it somehow differently. But that's gonna be about it from me. I hope that I was able to explain it. If you have more questions or thoughts about this, leave them below. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.